December 6, 2024. Anyone who's celebrating his or her birthday today, please come in front. Okay, how about tomorrow? Saturday. Okay, so mag-celebrate on Sunday, we will have it on Monday lang tayo mag-sing. Okay, so we have here two birthday celebrants. Okay, let's sing a happy birthday song. Oh, happy birthday, di happy ang face, di sad face. Ready? Begin! Louder! To you! Ayaw to you, kaya okay, let's say happy birthday. Okay, happy birthday, Ate Isabel. And happy birthday, Joros. Ready? Say it. Begin. Happy birthday, Kuya Joros. Okay, how old are you, Ate? 12. 12. And Joros is? 8. 8. So 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8. Oh, okay. 12 plus 8. And how about 12 minus 8? Okay, 4. So 12 plus 8 is 20. Let's have 20 crocodiles. Crocodile calves. Sounds like that. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Okay, let's pray.